everyone, Jessica Whitaker here. I am a New York City-based photographer, and today we are in my hometown of Seattle, Washington. Today I'm really excited to bring you along behind the scenes on a portrait photography tutorial during golden hour, getting creative with poses, techniques, tips and tricks for shooting, just to overall improve your portrait photography skills. So there's a lot I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. Before we dive right in, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for even more photography tutorials on a weekly basis. I love being able to bless your business, hopefully bless your business with these videos, but if you could help me out by clicking subscribe down below, it enables me to be able to continue to create more tutorials every single week for you. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. This is another way I'm able to continue to bring you free tutorials on YouTube outside of my online workshop on a weekly basis, and I love Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes in photography, business, design, even marketing. If you run your own business, whether it's full-time or late nights after your 9 to 5, Skillshare is the perfect place to brush up on your skills or learn a new hobby. I am a one-woman show. I am my own graphic designer, social media manager, photographer, and I do have some areas in my business that I know I need to grow in, such as graphic design, because I'm all about branding, but Photoshop is sometimes intimidating when it comes to creating some cohesive graphics to carry on through all my socials. So instead of taking a class at my local community college and paying thousands of dollars for a graphic design class, or scouring YouTube and kind of wasting a lot of time to finally find and piece together the tutorials, I can just utilize Skillshare's platform because all the classes are taught by experts in their field. So you are getting a great education, like low-key the College of Skillshare. It's such a great resource. Membership is very affordable. It's about $10 a month for premium access, which makes it one of the most affordable learning platforms on the market today, and everything's in video format. Skillshare has been so generous to give the first 500 people who use the link down below 2 months of free premium access. You guys, this is a great opportunity. If there's one area in your business you're really wanting to grow in, or a new hobby you want to explore, I definitely recommend taking advantage of this offer and signing up for Skillshare, linked down below. So many good tools and resources, but let's hop into the video. Okay, so we are at our first location, but I knew I wanted to do this green, and look at how she matches it perfectly. One tip for portraits, especially to make them look very like editorial and well styled, even if you don't have a stylist, is I think just like matching. If something is red, wear something red. The green matches the green. Having it be monochromatic just is an easy way to really like amp up your portraits and add a lot of interest to them. So we're gonna get started with some poses. So I'll probably have you standing maybe like right here. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh. Cute. Okay. I'll actually have you scoot out about a foot. Okay. So I always have my subject, if I feel like I want the image to be a bit more compressed, especially for portraits with a 35 lens, I'll have the subject to be about like 3 feet in front of the wall. That will just compress it, make it nice and blurry. So I do want to get kind of like the awning in here. I like how there's that single light bulb and the lights in the back. Wherever I can look for some bokeh to add, especially too, I will, because that adds a bit of interest to the photo as well. This is cute. So I have her framed underneath. Beautiful. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. And I love, like, smiling is so perfect. So just like big smile. Beautiful. You have such a good smile. Beautiful. So I have Camry framed right underneath this like awning. The framing, oh my gosh, this looks so good. Love. Yes. Oh my gosh. Love. Being intentional about the framing and composition is so important, especially for portraits. I'll now have you step out a tiny bit more. Perfect. It really makes them look nice and like polished, very intentional. Beautiful, so good. Three-quarter shot. Okay. So if you flip all the way around and then, yeah, and then look over the Yes. Oh my gosh. Cheekbone. Okay. Beautiful. We have that nice, the bokeh in the back. The lights are really nice, which adds a lot of interest. Oh my gosh, love. Oh my gosh. I love the green on green. I think that's such a great way to just having everything be monochromatic. Oh my gosh, love. I'm having her framed. The green door's here, and then we have this green like stripe on the bottom of the building. So I'm kind of positioning Camry's head where she's framed at the like intersection of the door and then the stripe. You'll see in the after photos on the screen, but this is just another way to be intentional with framing. Lift your chin up just a tiny. Yeah, perfect. Oh my gosh. And then maybe kind of like bring your hand up by your face. Yes, and then big smiles. Oh my gosh, yes, beautiful. Oh, let's actually do some full body standing ones. So I'll have you framed. It looks like a window used to be there, so I can kind of frame Camry in the middle of that rectangle. That's a nice framing element. So I have Camry framed under that window, and then within that though, I also want to incorporate, there's like this little kind of, I want to get a little bit of that green just at the very top of the frame to add interest. So I'm making sure with my camera, I'm still being intentional with, that's so good. Can you give me a big smile too? Beautiful, so good. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. You have the best smile. Literally, it's so cute. I just love these kind of buildings because I feel like there is so much going on. Like, even though the window, to some, they'd be like, oh my gosh, the window's out and it's like boarded up, it's not cute. To me, I just see texture, I see interest. So it really, like, we're not in downtown Seattle right now. Like, for all you guys know, we could be in, you know, a small historic district of a small town. You don't have to live in New York City or LA or, you know, even Seattle to create these really cool images. Amazing. So good. Oh my gosh, you are so amazing. Cute. Let's do that again. I'll have you, let's do the kick. I'm gonna try to frame you like in this little area. So I'll have you do it this way. I don't know if that made, yeah, perfect. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get the edge of the building. Yes, perfect. Amazing. Beautiful. Do that one more time. Oh, sorry, Lily. Okay, one more time. Okay. Oh, actually, I think we got it. Yeah. The cord. The cord. It's cord. This is low-key tripping. It is a hazard, but we're out here in a budget, yo. Second location, my favorite pink theater. I've done so many tutorials in front of this, and this might be my favorite. The outfit, so cute. Are you kidding me? So cute. Okay, so wow, I love this. This really, like, oh my gosh, so good. And the light right now, oh my gosh. Okay, this is oh yes, this is perfect. So, oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna do a little testaroo. Oh yeah, this lighting, so good. We're kind of at like the very tail end of golden hour, but it's almost dusk, I guess is what I would say. Like, it's almost blue hour. So the light is just really soft and beautiful. It almost looks like it's overcast. And then I'm just being really intentional with, yes, with framing. I have Camry like right underneath the theater sign. Yes, that's cute. Oh my gosh, love. I'm dying, you're so amazing. Yes, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna do the full fit, the full look. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, cute. Yeah, let's give it a try. Ready? Go. Cute, 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 cute. Oh my gosh, love, yes. Love. Keep your face a little bit tilted up just so then, yeah, okay, perfect. Beautiful. And then again, like do a really big cheesy smile. Yes, cute, 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 cute. Oh my gosh, love. Yes. Amazing. Let's do maybe, can you, like maybe, I don't want to have you sit, but maybe kind of like lean against this.
Okay,
I just want to
fake sit if you want.
That's okay, it's okay. I want to make sure though we're facing this way because the light is right here. So I don't want to do too many. I'll do some like straight on, but I think that the more we can shoot from this angle, the better because it's like so perfect right now. Oh my gosh, love. Okay. I'm so obsessed. These are so cute. You are amazing.
You are.
Oh my gosh, cute. Okay, amazing. Lean forward just slightly. I'll have you actually lean your torso because I'm gonna frame you right in where that window is. Yeah. Okay, perfect, perfect. Will you actually now step out about a foot and then come forward a little bit and then scoot this way a tiny bit? Perfect, okay. I have you actually scoot this way, sorry. I'm like right and left. I don't have time to figure out the math, I'm sorry. I'm like, okay, perfect. Beautiful. I guess I should talk about my camera settings. My f-stop is 1.4, shutter speed 125, ISO 800, and I'm just gonna bring the ISO up a little bit higher as the minutes progress. I'll have you actually scoot forward. I'll have you stand here now, and then I'm gonna do like a shot with more of this pink corner. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Do a really big smile for me, please. Yes, love. So having us by the corner gives us more of the pink background to work with as opposed to like just on the street where we only get it on maybe the left side. Oh my gosh, love. So amazing. Beautiful. And again, I'm being just really intentional about the framing. I want to make sure, I'm going to do a video real quick. Okay. I want to make sure that I have Camry's head like right underneath this little, there's like an awning outside of the movie theater. You're doing so good. So yes, you're so amazing. Like you're so talented. Beautiful. Actually, I'll have you step out about a foot and then, cause I wanna make the background nice and blurry. So yes, perfect. Yes, exactly. Yes, the depth of field. Oh my gosh. Wait, she's a photographer? Wow, our queen. Okay, beautiful. Doing this way. Okay, it's kind of gotten to the point where I can't shoot in live mode anymore just because the shutter is, the shutter's a little bit slower in live mode, so switching out of that to do beautiful, beautiful. Now maybe bring both your hands up by your face and like just big smiles for this one because it's super, yeah, and then like laugh. Hee hee, oh my gosh, Jessica, you're so funny. What the heck? Beautiful. I want to kind of get this, the awning or the molding, whatever that is called. I don't know the architecture. I want to get that in the shot. I love the leading lines kind of leading up to the window and then framing. I think it's super pretty.
Right here?
Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, you're you are so talented, y'all. If you're in Seattle, come through. Come in higher, Camry, for all your runway. Nordstrom, come on.
Need some styling. I'm here.
Okay, you have the best smile. Oh
Thank
my
you.
gosh.
I get it from my mama.
It's so like, just like queen all around. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you learned something. If you guys are interested, I have released my online photography workshop. It's over 6.5 hours of video content, over 50 modules, 50 of downloadable templates, worksheets. My workshop is all about the business behind photography, how to market to your dream ideal client in your own backyard. I have a code for 30% off down below. It's over $200 in savings, and when you buy the course, you get lifetime access. So it'll be down below as well as in the pinned comment. Be sure to subscribe for more photography tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and drop a comment. It might only take you 30 seconds to type out a simple comment, but seriously, this blesses my business here on YouTube. Be sure to view the full set of images linked down below on my website. You guys can also pop on over to my Instagram if you want more tools and resources. Don't forget, use the Skillshare code linked down below. 2 months free premium access. Why not? Give it a try. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.